Hello. Welcome to the allotment on a spectacularly hot day here in Tokyo. They're telling me it's 37 degrees today, and I came at the hottest time of the year. Not hottest time of the year, hottest time of the day. It's about 1 o'clock, and I thought let's go down to the allotment when it's really hot. And you may say, well, you're an idiot, John. Why would you go down there at the hottest time of the day? And you're just going down there just so you can say that you're there at the hottest time of the day. You know me so well. But yeah, amazingly hot today. Woof. And you think I'm an idiot? I went running this morning. It was even hotter. Crawled home almost on the edge of heat stroke, and I thought, oh my god, what can I do now? And I thought, let's go down the allotment when it's probably really hot. And there's nothing really to do except just talk about how hot it is. There's quite a lot of weeding to be done though. Look at this. Kale's looking good. It's been a little bit taken over by the weeds. We need to do something about that. The daikon are just telling me we're done, we're finished, we're out of here. The beans going. Tomatoes, there's a few actually. Yeah, I think we're getting there. It's doing well. All right. First of all, let's just get ready. Let's get set up. We've got another turmeric. This is the third one. And this is the last one. I'm going to put it in here. Okay, there we go. That's the third turmeric, and this is ginger. I'm going to put this ginger in as well. Ooh, there's a big wasp. What kind of wasp is that? This ginger can go next to the turmeric. I think they're all same family. We are family. I've got all my rhizomes with me. Ooh, we are family. I got all my rhizomes with me. Very good, John. Ooh, that's not very good. Okay, just dig, man, dig. You dig it? Yeah, I dig it. Okay, I'll dig it. Okay, dig it here. Oh, can you dig it? By... What does he say? What does John Lennon say in that track? And now we'd like to do How the Angels Come. And then Paul starts singing Let It Be. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary... Yeah, okay. So there's your ginger. I've become aware that, the word ginger has somehow become a word of a kind of insult for people with red hair in the United Kingdom since I've been away. What's that all about, guys? What's that all about? Why is having red hair a bad thing? I don't get it. Since when did having red hair become some kind of criminal offence in the United Kingdom? Is it just people just got, less tolerant or more stupid? What's going on with that? Brexit? Red hair? I mean, the place seems to have gone to hell since I left. Trump visiting? Good to see, though, that 250,000 people told him exactly what he was. Yeah, Trump. The thing with Trump is that I think 10 years from now we're going to realise that actually he was mentally ill, and he was, even now it's obvious, isn't it, that there's something wrong with him, and people still judging him as a kind of normal person, and so they're shocked by the actions he does. If it was some kind of person, I don't know, like a schizophrenic. He's not schizophrenic though, is it? He's like not paranoid. Stephen Fry came up with some word. Was it Stephen Fry? The opposite. Maybe it was John Cleese. John Cleese came up with the opposite of paranoid, which is what was it? Paranoid, which means that this unfounded belief that everybody likes you, rather than not that everyone is against you, but everyone likes you, which Trump seems to think. But actually everyone hates him, except the idiots who voted for him. Anyway, what am I talking politics down here in the garden for? That's why I come down here, to get away from politics and to enjoy the beauty and peacefulness of nature. We will have a look at the beauty and peacefulness in a minute. I just need to finish off a little bit of work. There's they won't come off. There's a few more tomatoes here that we can pick. Whoa, warm and juicy. Excellent. Tomatoes are great, aren't they? Fruit, vegetable, they're so versatile. You can put them in a salad, you can put them in pasta. They will not be put in a box. They'll be put in a salad, they'll be put in a pasta, but they won't be put in a box. And I like to feel that I am the same. You can put me in a salad, you can put me in a pasta, but don't put me in a box, man. The sweat is just dripping off me at an alarming rate, faster than I can put it back in. What am I doing out here? It's nice though, because there's no one here except us idiots, mad dogs, an Englishman. Just checking what's going on. And a dragonfly. Can you see that butterfly? And another butterfly. Wow. It's just wildlife. So I've planted this ginger, supermarket ginger. Seems to be okay. This is the third turmeric, which as you can see is a bit smaller. The other two doing quite well. I've harvested some tomatoes. These broccolis, these spring broccolis just didn't work. This is all going to have to go. Did a little bit of weeding. I'll let the weeds dry up, and then I'll come and collect them. Curly kale is doing well. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daikons. That's more daikon than I eat in a year. Right, time to go. It is really hot. I slightly joke about the heat here, but you know, it's quite serious. In 1 week, not long ago, 1 week this year, there was like 3,000 people in Japan were taken to hospital with heat stroke. 3 people died with heat stroke. You know, it's mostly old people and idiots in their 50s on their allotments that are the the casualties. But you know, you really got to kind of respect this weather, otherwise it'll kick you in the arse. And the next thing you know, you're on a drip in emergency with all the other idiots, and not such idiots as well. You know, I use that word rather jokingly, but no, I mean, older people don't realize they're getting hot. They stay at home, they don't turn on the air conditioner, they don't drink enough water. You know, their heat regulation system is not as good as young people, unlike me. So I think I better go, otherwise the ambulances will be scraping me off the floor. So from the allotment, this is John saying thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.